Surviving. The biggest achievement of 2021 is that we're able to carry on with our work. My name is Fadi Bizri. I am the co-founder and CEO of SE Factory, which stands for Software Engineering Factory. The reason we offer the current course is that it is in high demand globally. It is both a skill that is in wide enough demand, it's not overly specialized, and yet our training is of a high enough level that the skills that the students acquire through the bootcamp makes them in high demand and highly valuable for companies. We teach them how to think and to work like a professional software developer. We also emphasize a lot critical thinking, how to work with the problem, how to solve the needs of the customers, how to write code that makes sense, that is scalable, that is clean, that is secure. We bring all of these things together. That makes our talent that graduates very successful in the job market. We've built a great network of companies that have hired from us. We call them RPs, or recruitment partners. We have now over 150 RPs in 10 different countries, in North America, in Western Europe, in Northern Europe, in the Gulf, and so on. Companies are very happy just hiring our tech graduates, and it's been going very well. But more and more, some of those companies started asking us if we can help them build their entire team in Lebanon. They told us, okay, we've hired 1 or 2 or 3 tech developers from SE Factory, but we've also hired in Lebanon a designer, a marketing person, a content person, and we are not sure how to deal with the local setup. Do we need to create a local company? Should we create a local company? How do we deal with legal templates and legal contracts, and so on and so on? So they asked us, can you help us put all of this together as one package? Based on that customer feedback, we launched what we call the managed services, which is essentially a set of remote HR services. We help companies hire whoever they want under our own legal entities. We offer admin support, legal, taxation support, and so on, in a way where it's completely streamlined. So for the company in the UK, for the company in Dubai, in New York, once they find the talent they need, whether it's tech through us or through other means, they then tell us, can you please help me make that team operational, and we take care of the rest. So we offer a whole suite of remote HR services to make it as turnkey as possible to help companies set up in Lebanon.